Welcome to the Sewing Whisperers 2025 beginner tutorials for drawing fashion technical sketches using Adobe Illustrator. Each session builds on the skills needed for technical sketches, starting with an explanation of why we need fashion technical sketches, and progresses onto setting up the workspace, navigation tools, working with layers and selection tools, the dreaded pen tool, which takes some practice to master. Then comes the beginning of a technical sketch of activewear shorts with a free downloadable and editable template. We create some brushes that help to streamline the various stitches used. From there, we look at varying the silhouette with different lengths. Next is graphic styles and symbols that assist with adding accessories and trims. Finally, 3 variations of shorts are created. By following along with the session sequentially, you'll have a strong foundation knowledge for drawing technical sketches, or feel free to bounce around each video depending on the knowledge you are seeking. Please enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos.